Confidence isn't just a feeling for all traders, but especially for new traders. It is an essential as capital, strategy, and a plan. It is psychological foundation upon which your entire trading identity is built on. So, what happens when that foundation is missing? When a trader starts out without proper guidance, structure, or a mentor who actually cared about their growth, those effects don't just disappear after your first profitable month. They echo throughout your entire trading career, shaping your relationship with risk, your consistency, and the little voice you hear inside your own head in every execution. And it's crucial to understand that a lack of guidance doesn't always mean a dramatic blown account or an obvious scam. Often, it's much more subtle. That mentor who was technically available but never actually explained the why behind the setup. It's growing up in this game with conditional praise, being celebrated only for green days, never for good process on a red days. It's the constant, knowing feeling that you have to prove yourself with every single trade, that you're a liability to be managed, not a trader to be developed. This absence of a secure trading foundation is a wound that is invisible to other traders, but deeply felt by you. The first and most profound effect is that your internal blueprint in trusting a system is fundamentally wrong. Early trading experiences create a template for how you relate to every strategy, every mentor, and every signal that comes after. If that template is built on inconsistency or getting burned early, you spend your entire trading career trying to build discipline on a faulty foundation. You might subconsciously seek out strategies that are also unreliable, because that dynamic feels familiar. You don't know what a genuinely sound, boring, consistent edge even feels like, so you can't recognize it or trust it when it's actually working. Second, you internalize the instability. A trader who never got proper grounding concludes, "I am not cut out for this." This belief becomes the voice of their inner critic, a relentless narrator that follows them into every session. Is the voice that tells you every winning streak is luck, and every losing streak is proof you don't belong here. It's why you might have a solid system, a decent win rate, and real progress, but still feel like an imposter waiting to be found. Third, you struggle to regulate your emotions during drawdown. A solid early trading foundation acts as an internal regulator when things go wrong. When a new trader hits their first real loss, a good mentor helps them see it as data, teaching them that losses are manageable and will pass. But a trader who had to figure that out alone never learns this skill. As an experienced trader, this can look like explosive anger after a stopout, debilitating anxiety before entering a trade, or complete shutdown when faced with a losing streak. You don't have the internal tools to navigate the normal ups and downs of the market, because no one ever gave them to you. And finally, this often leads to a desperate need for external validation. If you believe your worth as a trader isn't inherent, you spend your career trying to earn. This is the classic signal chaser. You take a trade you don't believe in because someone else called it. You abandon your own plan to follow the crowd. And then you constantly monitor everyone else's results to make sure you're not falling behind, hoping their success will eventually rub off on you. It's a survival strategy from your early trading days. Be right, be quick, be impressive. And maybe, just maybe, you'll finally feel like a real trader. But it's a game that can never be won. So, is this a life sentence? Absolutely not. Healing your trading psychology is not about erasing your past losses. It's about giving yourself what you never got. It's about becoming the mentor you always needed. First step is to acknowledge the wound without judgment. You have to grieve the trading foundation you didn't get. And it's okay to be frustrated or even angry about it. Your frustration is valid and you deserved a proper foundation. And it's not your fault that you didn't get any. Second, you must actively challenge that inner critic when it tells you you're not cut out for this. You have to consciously respond with objectivity. It feels unnatural at first, but it's about rewiring how you talk to yourself mid-session. You're literally retraining yourself, giving yourself the calm, structured feedback you never received. And third, learn how to self-regulate when you're overwhelmed after a loss. Instead of spiraling into revenge trading, you have to learn to ask yourself, what do I actually need right now? Maybe it's stepping away from the screen. Maybe it's reviewing your journal. Or just 5 minutes of closing the platform and breathing. These small acts discipline you. The experienced trader mentoring you, the trader who started with nothing. You are teaching yourself what you were never taught, that your process is valid, and that you can get through a losing streak. The effects of not getting proper guidance when you started trading are real, and they run deep, but they're not a life sentence. Your past may have written the first chapters of your trading story, but you hold the pen for the rest. Healing is the journey of learning to give yourself the structure you are always searching for, and in doing so, you discover that the discipline you need was always something you could build, just waiting to be claimed. And if this resonated with you, you may find our video on our page that will be helpful. See you on the next one.